Hey guys, wanna know how to upgrade your cars in Asphalt 9 Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, simply launch up your Asphalt 9 application, and on the top of the navigation bar, you see this car icon right here with your label on the side. Simply press on it. Now right here, this is your garage. So there are various cars that you have unlocked in your garage. So for now, I'll just select this Silver model right here. And in order to upgrade it, just simply select this upgrade icon right here. The car icon with some up arrow in it. So once you've clicked on it, there you go. Here you can see top speed, acceleration, handling and nitro. So you can just select any of them and then upgrade it. Let's just upgrade the top speed for now. Simply select this icon right here. These are the credits that it requires in order to upgrade. And there you have it. The engine has been upgraded. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.